Ahoy, sailors! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're setting sail to uncover 15 fascinating facts about the world of sailing. So, hoist your sails and let's embark on this journey together. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Sailing dates back to around 3500 BCE, with the ancient Egyptians being among the first to use sailboats. They navigated the Nile using simple wooden boats with sails made of papyrus. Fact 2. The America's Cup. The America's Cup is the oldest international sporting trophy, first awarded in 1851. This prestigious sailing competition has a rich history and remains one of the most coveted prizes in the sport. Fact 3. Sailboat varieties. There are over a dozen types of sailboats, each designed for different conditions and purposes. From dinghies and catamarans to sloops and schooners, there's a sailboat for every kind of sailor. Fact 4. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the North Atlantic Ocean, is infamous for the mysterious disappearances of ships and airplanes. Despite many theories, no definitive explanation has been found. Fact 5. Fastest sailboat. The current record for the fastest sailboat is held by the Vestas Sail Rocket 2, which reached an incredible speed of 65.45 knots, approximately 75.23 miles per hour in 2012. Fact 6. Around the world solo. In 1968, Sir Robin Knox Johnston became the first person to sail solo, non-stop around the world. His journey on the Suhaili took 312 days and remains a monumental achievement in sailing history. Fact 7. Sailing in the Olympics. Sailing has been part of the Summer Olympics since 1900. The events have evolved over the years, now featuring multiple classes and disciplines showcasing the sport's diversity. Fact 8. The Tall Ships Race. The Tall Ships Race, an annual event, features some of the world's largest and most majestic sailing vessels. It's a celebration of maritime heritage and attracts sailors and spectators from around the globe. Fact 9. Nautical miles. Distances at sea are measured in nautical miles, which are longer than land miles. 1 nautical mile equals approximately 1.1508 land miles, or 1.85 kilometers. Fact 10. The trade winds. Trade winds are steady, predictable winds that have been used by sailors for centuries to navigate the world's oceans. They blow predominantly from the east in the tropics. Fact 11. The International Date Line. The International Date Line, an imaginary line in the Pacific Ocean, marks where each new day begins. Sailors crossing this line from east to west lose a day, while those going the opposite direction gain a day. Fact 12. Sailboat navigation. Before GPS, sailors relied on celestial navigation using the sun, moon, and stars. The sextant was a crucial tool, allowing them to measure angles and determine their position at sea. Fact 13. The Volvo Ocean Race. The Volvo Ocean Race, now known as the Ocean Race, is one of the most grueling sailing competitions. Crews race around the world, covering over 45,000 nautical miles across some of the most challenging waters. Fact 14. Bioluminescence. Sailing at night can reveal the magical phenomenon of bioluminescence, where microorganisms in the water emit light, creating a mesmerizing glow that trails behind the boat. Fact 15. Famous shipwrecks. Many famous shipwrecks, like the Titanic and the Mary Celeste, continue to capture our imagination. These stories of maritime disaster and mystery remind us of the ocean's power and unpredictability. And there you have it, 15 amazing facts about sailing that highlight the adventure, history, and beauty of this incredible sport. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just discovering the joy of being on the water, there's always something new to learn and experience. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.